Hello, this video is about double-sided elastic knit, with lots of volume and extreme elasticity. It is knitted equally on both sides and does not loosen, thanks to its good structure. The scheme consists of 6 loops and 1 row. There are 3 loops in the knit column and 3 in the purl one. On both sides of the knitting, the scheme is the same. Knit 3, purl 1, slip 1 with thread in front, and purl 1. Repeat. Knit 3, purl 1, slip 1 with thread in front, and purl 1. On both sides of the knitting, the scheme is knit 3, purl 1, slip 1 with thread in front, and purl 1. I have presented you with an extremely easy knit with good volume and very suitable for winter. Due to its double-sidedness, it may be used for both accessories and winter clothing. I highly recommend it. If you'd like to check out my knit creations and get them for yourself or as a gift, visit knitnotspace.com. I appreciate you all being here. Click the like button if you enjoy the video. Subscribe to the channel and notifications to watch all of my videos. I wish you inspiration. Knit joyfully and with affection. See you soon.